Dear students, today our topic is, I have mentioned on whiteboard, the question is that, was the Act of 1784 the main reason to extend the territories of subcontinent by British during 1784 to 1850? First of all, you should understand the question, what the question has, what type of thing you have to write as an answer of the given questions. First, I like to explain first what is in the questions. There is Act of 1784 is the main reason, was the main reasons for the British, and also there are three things that are very important to explain the answer of the given questions. If you able to understand the question first, it is very easy to explain the things according to the mind approach of the examiner. First of all, we have mentioned those events that related to 1784 to 1850. It is very good time for the British when they came India as traders, and they extends with the passage of time. They capture Bengal, after Bengal, gradually they capture most territories. That is very fertile land of India has been captured by the British. First of all, we consider it 1784. 1784. It is known act by the William Pitt. William Pitt, a former minister of England, and gradually we mention in 1719. In the history of students, in the history of India, there was a much big event when British forces murdered the Tipu Sultan in 1799, and gradually with the passage of times, British was able to defeat the Marathas, Rajputs, and others. Punjab, Sindh was annexed by the British. Okay, these mentioned things should be implemented by you as an answer of the given questions. First of all, we have mentioned 1784 to 1850. It is very clear cut track you have taken by the examiner, that what you have mentioned, all main events you should mention in this during 1784, and the question should have been started as the 1784 Act was the not main reasons to extend the territories of subcontinent in India by the British. Other reasons are also involved in this.